Hi, I'm Tom Commodore here with Metra Electronics, here to introduce you to our 2018 Team Metra Chevy Colorado. The Colorados are decked out with all of our brands and all of our great products from those brands. Let's go ahead and take a tour through the vehicle and check it out. We loaded up these trucks with a lot of Heise lighting. In the front of the vehicle, we have our Heise 30-inch Blackout Series light bar, accompanied by our Heise LED replacements in both the primary headlight and fog lamp locations. As you can see here, we illuminated the vehicle's underbody with our 8-pack of RGB rock lights, 1 in each tire well and 4 on the chassis of the truck. These lights look amazing, and the app for your phone makes them super easy to control. Our Rhino roof rack is loaded up with several varieties of Heise lighting options. Our Slimline Series light bars, 4 pairs of spot and flood cubes, and of course, our Blackout Series dual roll light bars to finish off the front and rear of the rack. We have our OEM Fit and Finish Metra Dash Kit. This vehicle's Infinity audio system is fully powered by our Metra Power Sports amplifiers, taking that ultra clean DSP signal and putting out amazing sounding audio. Last but not certainly least are our iBeam products. To start, the Colorado has our microwave blind spot detection kit installed in it. The coolest part of this build, and my favorite, is the iBeam Bird's Eye 360 surround view camera kit. This product utilizes 4 cameras to give you a 360-degree bird's eye view of the vehicle. Whether you are changing lanes or going into reverse, you will always see whatever is around you. Be on the lookout for your Team Metra rep coming to visit your store. For more information on these and any of our other products, visit us online at www.metraonline.com.